Hello, we are exploring the rich editor on Moodle today. As you can see, there are 3 bars. You can minimize that to 2, or you can, by just clicking on here, you can maximize that to 3 bars. As you can see, this is the editor richness is here. We have we can draw a picture, whatever you like, if you can just experience. Can draw flower, whatever we like. It's possible. Can save picture, or can save, can cancel, insert it. Okay, can record video also. Start and record video. Record. Camera is open. Start to record now. Press the camera. Stop. Upload. It's uploading. So wait till it's uploaded successfully. Then insert. It's inserted. So we have a file, a video file. Can of course use the microphone to make audio files. Can edit, also you can insert and edit tables, and of course we can use you can insert Moodle media. Look, can find or upload sound, video, or just by clicking on it. Moodle audio record, Moodle MP3, MP4 video, and we have Moodle audio record with 5, Moodle video record with 5 also, Moodle widgets, upload files, recent files, Google Drive, can upload files from Google Drive, can so from YouTube, Wikimedia, and Box. Okay, so I'll close this. So it's very rich. Can select, make it bold if you like. Like to highlight something. I can bold it. This is video I've made it. Paragraphs, format, paragraph, address, reformatted, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. As you can see, it's rich. Also can drag and drop files here, of course. Thank you very much.